Hi friends, welcome back to Chi Diaries. Today I will be making this beaded hat. Someone asked me how to do this. I explained to her and she got it, but I just want to show a tutorial of how to do it. So I already have several videos of how to braid a hat on my channel. I even have a playlist of it and it will be linked in the description bar. But the easiest, fastest one will be attached to the end of this video. So if you don't know how to braid a hat or you need better explanation of how to make this hat braid I am making now, then just watch that video. It is way easier than you can ever imagine. So when I am done with this, first off, I will advise that if you have beads that are smaller than this, it's going to serve better, or it will be more easier to work with. When it's time to use your needle and thread, if you have a thread that is the same color as your beads, it is going to help make the thread less visible. So I start off by putting one bead at the very, like the pointed bottom of the hat before lining them up upwards, filling in the space inside. Now I try to use, just like when I add two beads, as you can see, I would anchor the hair, anchor the thread to the hair, then add two beads, anchor the thread to the hair. When I got to the corner, I added just one because I was like reversing, and I turned it from left to right instead of from up to down the way I was adding the other beads, and this is going to help it, like reverse. and then I continued adding up to down, coming down. You can just understand from watching, and it depends on the bead you're using. You might have a different way of maneuvering the hair or the beads in the hair. So you have to try to put the thread back exactly where the bead came out. You can't bring your thread forward too much because it is going to block the space where the next bead is supposed to be. So try to feed in the thread like the needle into the hair exactly where the bead came out, and go back exactly at that point so that the thread will not be in the way.
Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo.
Don't worry if you run out of thread. You can just tie it off anywhere that it will be concealed. Then get a new needle and thread and continue, or you retread your needle. Like, very easy, don't worry about it. And it's actually better to work with a shorter thread than trying to use a very long rope that is going to tangle and frustrate you later. So
No me dejes ir, te amo. No me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito. No me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito. No me dejes ir, te amo. Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué. No me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito. No me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito. No me dejes ir, te amo. No me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito. No me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito. No me dejes ir, te amo. Cuando te miro